guys, it's Kristen. I have online school today. Also, please ignore the nails. Brian said he was gonna call me. I just didn't want to look like a complete bum. Low-key. I mean, I know no one's gonna care, but like, just this one time. There's another meeting in progress. See? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Oh, I understand what's going on now. Sorry that I'm like a few minutes late. My first time using Zoom, so I was trying to figure it out. Good mood right now. I woke up later than I was supposed to, but I wanted to do a makeup look, so I found this TikTok that Addison did. I ain't got no professional makeup artist, but I got me. To preface this, I am not the best at makeup, so there's your preface. I'm gonna try to emulate it as best I can. Okay, someone call my mom. Look at how the glue, see? Now, like I really almost blew my eyelid shut. Do I want to try again? I think I'm gonna try one more time. Like, why does it burn? Anyway, I just feel really offended. Okay, I tried my best. Yeah, she's shedding, you know, usual. This is what came up on my For You page, and I was like, I think I'm gonna do this for my video tomorrow. I feel like I'm gonna regret this angle, but whatever. Section my hair. That's how I usually do my buns, is I do it in sections, but she didn't section it. She just whipped that thing up. Woo! This is the scary part. Mine is not staying down like at all. I don't know how to do this. Woo! They make it look so easy. What? Okay, see? If I turn around, the back looks atrocious, but the front also looks atrocious. My forehead about to turn red in 3, 2. Yikes. Anyway, that took me forever to do, and it took copious amounts of gel. Now it's time to change into an outfit. I feel uncomfortable. Okay, first of all, let's talk for this hair. Woo, you know, Y'all can't even see me. Hey. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Beat it with a mixer until it foams to a whipped cream consistency, and then put on top of iced milk and stir. She did take Social Security payments and oh my gosh.
Right there.
Okay. It got more liquidy.
You think?
Yeah.
Rest it in the freezer.
Wow, we have to start over.
No. Just put some more sugar in.
It's gonna be too sweet. What it's supposed to do?
That will make it thicker. Whole milk.
You don't want to force some out the thing for me?
Just see if you like it first. So I'm trying to find like TikTok challenges to do. But basically I have to eat this piece of lemon and then try to keep a straight face. Give me a second. I think if whoa, the kick comes after, to be honest. This lemon was juicy. This lemon was juicy. My mouth is watering. Anyway, mommy. Okay, I need you to do me a quick favor. I need you to like hold my hand and try and crack my bathroom, please.
You wasn't cracking your back. What you was doing?
That's my back.
You serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Cracking.
Can I come in? Just like pull my arms and like. Pull it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you mean to do that. What's that? What was that?
My bones?
No, man. That's not the one.
It is.
That's not true.
Cracking? I'll do it again.
You're making me feel like I hate you there. Let me do it in the front and see.
Okay.
You was that.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm busy.
How busy would you say you are on a scale of 8 to 9?
14.
Squidward, I'm no mathematologist, but that seems like a lot.
It is!
Okay, quick survey. Are you busy or just busy?
What's busy? No, don't tell me. Don't tell me anything. Don't even tell me what you're doing here.
I found a jump rope.
I said not to tell me!